Whether you're a casual DFS player or looking to take it seriously, DigiFantasy has the tools to give you an edge over the competition. The DFS Optimizer compares sportsbooks to DFS sites, highlighting missed price lines with real probability edges. The Fantasy Scores page lets you see how fantasy projections stack up across platforms. And the DFS Middling tool shows opportunity to cover two sides of a play when different sites disagree. But the standout feature is the AI slip generator. It uses advanced algorithms to auto-build profitable slips across price peaks, underdog, and better. You can filter by sport, sort by profit margin, and tail the picks instantly. With DigiFantasy, you're not guessing anymore. You're playing with data. Use the link in my description to join today and start building smarter sleeps.